What's up back everybody with this new video. I will tell you about simulator. I can't say that word right. And I will show you the new code right here. It's right here. Oopsie. Right here, I think I'll show you. Oh no, I click it. Nope. Right here, it's right here. I'm gonna put it in the link or the. I just show you this because many people don't know. He put it out at 9 June 1 p.m. You want to get 1K I just used right now, you would just use this code. Bye bye.